Step one to getting your piece of the trillions of dollars that the government spends with small businesses just like you is to get registered. By the end of this video, you will have the steps that you need to take in sequence order so that you can start to bid contracts with the government, to become registered to bid and have the opportunity to win contracts. For the best government contracting advice and strategies for small businesses, make sure that you subscribe to the channel right here down below and hit the notification bell, the bell there or there, so that you're notified when new videos come out every week right here on the channel, happening every Thursday. The must-do steps to getting registered to do work with the government. Yes, I'm dishing the details right here. By the end of this video, you'll have You'll have three sequence steps for you to implement in order to get your business registered to do work with the government. Come learn the steps and then execute and then check it off your list. All right, so here's the first step. Is your business foundation. You need to have a business foundation. You need to have your business entity structure. You need to have your EIN/tax ID number, whichever term you want to use. And you also need to have a business bank account. I know you know how important it is to have a business bank account. I'm not talking about a personal bank account, a business bank account, so that you're not mixing funds and monies and expenses together. So I'm not going to go there, with all that accounting today, but no, you need a separate bank account, one for personal and one for business. All right. Number two, you need to have your DUNS number. Now, it's also referred to as your Dun & Bradstreet number. All right, I'll put the link down below in the description. So if you don't have one, you can go get one. And it's free. Doesn't cost you anything but your time, okay? Now, here's a little sugar for a dime. They may reach out to you. They may try to sell you something that costs money. What did I say previously? You need to rewind it, go check out what I said. But I'm going to repeat it for you because I feel it's really important. You don't have to pay anything. Nothing to get your DUNS number, okay? There is no cost. So I'm going to put the link below. They may reach out to you, but it is free, okay? The third thing you're going to do in getting registered with the government is you're going to do your SAM registration. Now, let me say, you need to have your entity structure set up. You need to have your tax ID number. You need to have your business bank account, and you need your DUNS number in order to do what? Do your SAM registration. Remember, I said sequenced steps. So you need to do them in the order that I laid them out for you here, okay? I'm going to put the link below to Dun & Bradstreet. I want you to comment below if your business foundation is already set up, meaning you have your tax ID number, your entity structure, and your business bank account. Let me know down in the comments, yes or no. No or yes. Is your business foundation set up? If not, how can I help you? You got a question? Pop it down below. All right, let's dive a little bit deeper into this SAM registration. Just so you know, it is a process. All right, you're not going to get down, sit down and say, oh, I'm going to go ahead and do my SAM registration and get it all done in one sitting. Not going to happen in most cases. All right, so here's what you need to do with your SAM registration. First, you have to request access to the SAM registration portal. That's where it automatically may not happen in one sitting, just depending on how long it takes for them to give you access, okay? So go ahead, request your access. Once you receive your access, then you can complete your registration, All right. Make sure you already have the information that I mentioned earlier in the video. Have it handy because you're going to need it as you're filling out your registration. Okay. Now, here's the main thing I want you to pay attention to. Once you complete your registration and it goes into a submitted state, it's going to tell you to print off some documents. It'll give you the link. Don't just click without reading, okay? It's going to give you the link. You're going to download those papers. It's going to tell you to print them out on your company letterhead. So do that. And then you're going to have to take the signed documents and get them notarized. So what does that mean? Print them off on your company letterhead. Take them wherever you're going to go get them notarized. You sign them in front of the notary. Get them notarized. Here's the other thing I want to share with you. Before you mail them off to the government, make yourself a copy. What if they lose them? It's the government, and sometimes they do. So make yourself a copy before you put them in the mail. Also, make a note of when you mail them so that you can track your registration and make sure they received your documents, okay? After a period of time, they should have them. They should do what they need to do, and then you're waiting for your SAM registration to become active. All right. Now, I get asked this all the time. When should I start? Now. When is a great time to start? Now, right? It would have been a week, 2 weeks, a month, or a year ago, or whenever you started your business. But since you didn't do that, now is the best time to get started. So get started on it today. Now, as a reminder, just depending on what all you have in place and whatever you don't, it could take you anywhere from a couple of days to a couple of weeks. Even I've seen, 21 to 30 days in order to get a active SAM registration email saying that, hey, your registration is active and here's your cage code. When you receive those two things, you're good to go. All right. If you missed any of the videos in this series, I'm going to put the links down below. They are important, especially if you're just getting started in government contracting. Make sure you go back, watch those videos, get caught up so that you're making sure that you're doing everything step by step in sequence order to make it happen and not have to go back and redo something or fill in a step because you left a gap somewhere. So I'm filling the gaps here for you. If you missed the video, watch the replays. They're down below. All right. Which is another reason you should be subscribed to this channel and hit the notification bell, because if you didn't see the previous videos in this series, it tells me you're not subscribed and you're not getting notifications. So if you're walking through this with me, you're actually taking action and implementing. We have what is this? I think this is the third video in this series, and I believe it's a total of 7. I'm walking you through the entire process here of getting your business set up to do work with the government, so you don't want to miss out. Subscribe and hit that notification bell. And here's what I encourage you to do. If you know of anyone, any business owners, share this with them. The government contracts with all small businesses, so share this video with 2-3 of your business besties, your best friends, your colleagues, business partners, or whoever you may know that's looking to start a business. You see someone on social media and they're like, hey, I just started a business, or here's my business, blah, blah, blah. Share the video with them. Share some love today. All right. So do that. Now, the other thing, if you're not already on my email list, make sure you do that, because I'm sharing tips and strategies and things like that via email. And I usually put more in the email than I do here on the video. So you don't want to miss that. You can go over to FeliciaStreeter.com. I will put the link below for you. All right. So there you have it. Now you know exactly what you need to do to get your business registered and qualified to do work with the federal government. All right. Now, if you want to know more, make sure you sign up for my upcoming webinar. All right, happening really soon. And I'll put the link down below for that as well, where we workshop it, go into more detail because we have more time together all around government contracting tips and strategies. So the link is in the description. All right. That's it. Subscribe, hit the notification bell. Oh, and if you like this video, you're digging what I'm putting down, this information is good for you, hit the like button. Do me that favor, all right? And don't forget to come back here next week, Thursday, for video number 4 in this series. Oh yeah, it's gonna be juicy. Bye for now.